Hello friends, I welcome you to my YouTube channel MacPM. So in this video we will solve a numerical problem which is based on eccentrically loaded welded joint. So let's read the problem and note down the important parameters. So it is given that a 50 mm diameter, so D is given as 50 mm. Solid shaft is welded to a flat plate as shown in figure. If the size of the weld is 15 mm, size of the weld is 15 mm, and this is fillet weld, so thickness of the weld is, or throat of the weld is size of the weld divided by root 2 or 0.707 s, as we have proved in many cases in previous questions. Find the maximum normal in shear stress. So sigma max normal stress, maximum shear stress we have to find. Okay, here also you can see that E is given as eccentricity is 200 mm and load P is given as 10 kilonewton. Okay, so what will be the area of this joint? This is circular, so what will be the area? Area will be pi d for a circle into t is thickness. So pi dt is area of this circle, area of this weld. Okay, so pi into d is 50 into throat of the weld, or thickness of the weld is, at throat area will be minimum, so throat of the weld we will consider for maximum stress, so it will be equal to 0.707 s. So s is 15. Okay, so if you will calculate it, then you will get, I am calculating, wait, pi into 50 into 0.707 into 15, so it will be 1665.8. okay, this is the area of the fillet weld, circular fillet weld. So what will be the direct shear stresses? So tau direct shear stresses, or you can also say it TS or tau as you wish. So it will be primary shear stress or direct shear stress, which will be equal to load divided by area. So it will be equal to, what is load? P is 10,000 Newton divided by area is 1665.8, so it will be around 6 Newton per mm square or 6 megapascal. Okay, so this is primary shear stress. Now how much bending moment is applying here at this joint? So bending moment is M is equal to load into eccentricity, load into distance, so it is 10,000 Newton into eccentricity is 200 mm, so 200, so it will be equal to 2 into 10 to the power 6 Newton mm. Now as we know the formula for bending, M upon I is equal to sigma upon y. Okay, so what is the I, moment of inertia for this circular section with thickness t? It is equal to pi t d cube divided by 8. And what is y? Y is equal to d by 2. Okay, so M is equal to sigma I upon y. So this I upon y can be considered one is section modulus, which is equal to sigma by into z. So what will be z? Z will be I upon y, which is equal to pi t d cube divided by 8 divided by d by 2. So this d will be cancelled, this will be d square, and this will be 4, so it will become pi t d square divided by 4. This is section modulus. So from here you have M is equal to sigma into z. Now thickness of throat is pi into 0.707 into s into d square by 4, because t is equal to 0.707 s. Okay, so we can calculate z. Value of z is equal to pi into 0.707. What is value of s? S is equal to 15 mm into d is equal to 50 mm, sorry 50 square divided by 4. So if you will calculate it, you will get 20,825 mm square. Okay, so what will be the bending stress? M is equal to sigma z. So sigma is equal to m by z. So value of m is 2 into 10 to the power 6. We have just calculated, divided by value of z we have also calculated, 20,825, which will be equal to 96 Newton per mm square, or you can also say 96 megapascal. Okay, so what will the maximum normal stress? So maximum normal stress sigma max is equal to half into sigma b plus half, this is bending stress sigma b, into half sigma b square plus 4t square. This is in case of two stresses, which is equal to half into 96 plus half into 96 square plus 4 into 6 square. This will be equal to 48 plus 48.4, which will be equal to 96.4 megapascal. So this is maximum normal stress. What will be the maximum shear stress? Tau max is equal to half sigma b square plus 4 tau square, which will be equal to half root 96 square plus 4 into 6 square. So if you will calculate, you will get 48.4 megapascal. So these are our answers. I hope you understood this problem. If you have any doubt, then please ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.